Alright guys, so by the time you guys see this clip, it'll probably be the end of the video. So yeah, now I'm finna to install the actual wig. This is a full lace wig, so I can part it anywhere, in the back, the front, whatever. I just did some quick curls, and yeah, I was thinking about doing the same method that I've been doing so far for this lace application series, but I'm going to, I guess I'll just do the same thing. When I say the same thing, I mean by applying the adhesive first and then cutting off the lace after. So yeah, today we're using the Got2b Glued Blasting Free Spray. I've done an application with this before, but why not do it again? You know, people always want an updated video. So this, of course, is going to be in the series because this is like the main thing that I use to put on my wig. So I'm going to do, of course, the Blasting Free Spray, and then for the second one that I'll do for Got2b Glued is going to be, I'm not doing that today, but for future references, I will be doing one with the two Got2b Glued gels. So let me plug out my blow dryer and let's get it. Y'all know I always start in the middle. So let's get it. And with this product, you have to be very quick or it will be dripping and falling everywhere. But I kind of got a hang of it, especially since I do this method for the most part all the time. Okay, you blow dry until the spray gets tacky. Pull your lace down into the adhesive. Well, I know when it comes to like bold hold and stuff like that, you have to be careful with this part because your fingers have oil on them, and oil makes the adhesives come up. So you can use your hands for this one, but you know, just be careful. Continue on. Once you learn how to do this correctly, it's as messy as it seems, but like when you're first starting using the free spray, it's like, why the mess? Why such a mess? But this will probably be one of my favorite videos out of the adhesive series because this is my normal method. All right, and then you go ahead, pull it down, press it in. What they be saying at church? Press down, shaking together, and run it over. That's the vibes. All right, so you can kind of like get a feel for what part is not really sticking. Let me cut off this extra piece of lace because don't need it. Okay. And also, while I'm doing this, make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel as well. My vlog channel is starring Lexus, and I like to kind of leave the lace on a little bit more now because I just said that like it was nothing. But yeah, subscribe to my vlog channel, follow me on Instagram, everything else, Snapchat. Because like when you need to go back and spray some more, you can always just spray it over the lace and then hold it down. So that is like my favorite pro to this method, keeping the lace on, waiting to cut the lace until after your frontal is laid. Only cons I would say about this method is really the, what is it called? The cast that you get when you take it. And when I say cast, I'm talking about the little white film that you have left over once you go back and cut the lace off. And that's just because, you know, you're kind of messing with it and pulling it up a little bit. The part that you did glue down, because you know some extra lace does get glued down in this method. But get you some alcohol or some water if you're dealing with Got2b glued, and you'll be straight, honestly. So like I said, just go back in, spray if you feel like you need to. I think that's, yeah, like I said, my favorite plus to this method. Once that is finished, I'm telling y'all, this bandana method, it make it do what it do. Put the bandana on, tie it around, and tie it around the back. Leave it on for a couple minutes, take it off, and we're gonna cut the lace. All right, so I'm back. It's probably been about 3 minutes. I'm being impatient, but it's probably dry. So we're gonna take this off. And just really quick side note, I do want to say that this hair, to be bleached with just 20 volume, it bleached very well. As you can see, it still has like a shine to it, and it still look banging, brand new. So I messed with MyQualityHair for that one, and this full lace wig is banging. Oh, and how did I forget? This joint came pre-plucked. I have not touched this hairline at all. It came like this, baby hairs included. We finna see when it's time to flick the baby hairs, but let's cut this lace though. So, cut straight down the middle. Move my mirror up closer so I can see. Okay. And zigzag, zigzag, zigzag all the way down. And as you can see, as I start to cut, that white cast starts showing up. Because of course you have to pull up the extra lace that is down that we don't want. So it's okay. We're going to fix it. Sorry, I'm not talking. This is like, you got to concentrate here. And if you need to, pull it up a little bit and push it back. Because we don't want to keep a bunch of lace that we don't need. It's okay to leave some, but don't leave a bunch because then it's going to be real detectable. So You see the white cast. I'm finna get my cloth, finna spray it with some water, and we're gonna dab. Dab, dab, dab. Just dab out as much of the whiteness as you can. Got a couple white crusties on my forehead, but it's all good. All right, so that's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. So I'm gonna go in with the Got2b glue gel. No special announcement about this one. I always use this for my edges on my wig. So let's finesse some edges real quick. And like I said, y'all know this is one of my favorite methods to lay down my wig. Just no questions asked, because it always gets the job done. I never have any issues. It'll stay for days if I needed to. And then if I want to take it up the same day, it will also come up. That's, I think, what I love the most about Got2b glue though, because it's so, for me, it holds just fine. Hold is banging. And like, I'm so indecisive sometimes. Like I said, I change my hair on my wig several times in one day, and you know, with regular wig adhesives, you know, you probably can't do that much, because one, because they're like, some of them be waterproof, and then some of them, like, you know, we already know, it's no secret that some of the adhesives be smelling like glue, and that says a lot right there. That joint is not coming up. I remember one time I did use boho, and I wanted to take my wig off in the same day, and I could not. It was a joke. Had to keep the wig on for a week, because I didn't buy the remover. I thought it was gonna just, you know, come off with a little water. Nope, that wig was not going anywhere. I was pissed. But it's okay. For my people who do want to use boho, I think I have actually done a video using that before, but I will of course be doing an updated one for this series. And this time I actually have the remover. My packaging may be a little old though, because I bought it a long time ago. But hey, our edges is coming together though. Yes, honey. And you see how I'm literally just brushing these out and these little short hairs are coming out? That's all my quality wigs. Like, these baby hairs slash edges been here from the jump. I didn't cut, trim, nothing. This was all here already. And we in there like swimwear. We in there like swimwear. Period, Pooh. Now let me get this comb right here, this big tooth comb, and I'm kind of just gonna, oh, okay, well, as I was saying before, my memory card said that it was full. Yeah, I just wanted to add like a little pizzazz, a little color, but like not too light, because you know everybody doesn't like super bright colors, but I like the color I ended up with. And it's not, I don't want to say it's a bob, but I just cut it like bluntly, and then like I said, I curled it with the curling iron, and I think it looks pretty good. So for my people who are finna go somewhere and you tried out this method, for like the white cast right here, like I said, go in with like a wet towel, alcohol, whatever. I don't have any alcohol right now, but yeah, that should work. But for my people who don't have time or don't know how to fix it, just go ahead and swoop a couple baby hairs over it. It's not that serious. Tie your scarf down. Usually when you tie your scarf down, it goes away anyway. But overall, like I said, this is my favorite method. Just be careful with that, leaving the lace on and applying the wig and then cutting the lace off, because like I said, it leaves like that white cast, and that's really getting on my nerves, because it's the second time. I just don't like it. Like, it's extra. I feel like I'd rather go through the process of just having to pull the lace down with my hands and cutting the lace off first and then applying the adhesive. But maybe that's just me, but y'all recommended that I try this method, so I'm trying it over and over for you guys, along with different adhesive that you guys had recommended or wanted me to try. So overall, like I said, this little, I don't know what to call it. Like, is it a long bob? Like, I don't know. But this style, I'm feeling it. I think it's cute. Besides the little white cast that the method leaves. Yeah, like besides all of that, I feel like I can get jiggy with it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.